Okay, well, I got some stringers on it now. I put one on this side, one on this side, and then I X-brace this like it was, you know, like an attic in a house. So what you do is start low, go up high, start low, go up high, and then, you know, I mean, this thing's, there's no, it can't fall over now. See, it's X-braced. All right. Okay, I got all the wire. Let me get my finger right. There we go. All the wire on this side. Probably can't see it on the camera, but all that chicken wire has been put on the inside of those boards. And now it's just a little bit longer, so what I'm going to do is roll it over, and I'm going to nail it along this 2x4. So actually it's sitting right on its top right now. This is the top. So I've got it flipped up. And so I'm going to nail that off, and then I'm going to put the, I'll probably drag it over here, and then I'll put the chicken wire on that side. And I think we're going to use some more solid wire for the ends. Ah, come on. Well, let's go ahead and pull it back, pull it over.